Answers are easy to find if you ask the right questions. Want to drastically improve your kitchen's efficiency? Ask yourself these 4 questions. Number 1, do my sheet pan racks need to move? Sheet pan racks are a staple in nearly every kitchen. Traditionally, sheet pan racks are only available on wheels, but many chefs don't actually need their racks to move. They just need a place to store their sheet pans. By using our Camshelving with universal storage rack, you can free up sheet pan racks for other kitchen needs.
Wow!
Bonus! Shelving allows you to store light boxes on top safely. Number 2, where am I using space inefficiently? This can be difficult to identify when you're constantly in the same space, but this is where a Camera rep is especially helpful. Let's say your sheet pan racks are only full on the top rails, like these ones. With the bottom rails empty, you're wasting valuable storage space. When using Camshelving, you can use the empty space below to store heavy ingredients like flour and free up valuable space elsewhere.
Yes!
Number 3, is any of my equipment holding me back? Metal shelving rusts and is very difficult to adjust. Plus, it doesn't have the capability of using Camshelving accessories to improve organization. Your to-do list. First, get rid of metal shelving. Next, get a space-saving Camshelving high-density storage system. Then, get our universal storage rack to hold food pans, food boxes, and more. That way you can reach them without having to lift things off of each other to get to what you really need. Number 4, how do we store small ingredients? Condiments wiggle, wobble, and fall over constantly when they're stored on metal slotted shelving. Camshelving has the choice of solid shelves to create a more stable foundation. Then, add shelf dividers to keep them separated. And ID tags to make it easy to differentiate between bottles that look similar. Share your kitchen storage tips with us in the comments.